Hi everyone. Are you experiencing issues with Google Assistant on your Hisense Android TV and wondering how to fix them? Google Assistant is a fantastic feature that allows you to control your TV with voice commands, making your viewing experience convenient. However, like any technology, it can sometimes run into problems, causing frustration. In this guide, we're going to dive into how to fix Google Assistant problem in Hisense Android TV, ensuring you can get back to enjoying your smart TV features seamlessly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step you should take is to ensure your internet connection is stable. Google Assistant relies on a strong internet connection to function correctly. Start by checking if your Wi-Fi is working properly by testing other devices connected to the same network. If other devices are working fine, try restarting your router or connecting to another network to see if the issue persists. Ensure that your Hisense Android TV is connected to the internet by going into the settings menu and checking the network status. Step 2. Update software and apps. Keeping your software and applications up to date can resolve many technical issues. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the settings menu on your Hisense Android TV. Scroll down to the About section and check for a software update. If an update is available, proceed to install it. Make sure that the Google Assistant app and any related apps are updated via the Google. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve your Google Assistant issues. Step 3. Reconfigure Google Assistant. Sometimes simply resetting your Google Assistant can solve the problem. Here's what you need to do. Go to the settings menu on your TV. Navigate to the Account and Sign In section and sign out of your Google account. Restart your TV before signing back in to your Google account. Once signed in, reconfigure the Google Assistant settings, ensuring that it's set up to your preferences. Step 4. Ensure proper microphone access. If Google Assistant isn't recognizing your voice commands, there may be an issue with the microphone settings. Check the TV settings to ensure microphone access is enabled for Google Assistant. Make sure there are no physical obstructions or covers on the TV's microphone. Perform a quick test by speaking a basic command to see if the assistant responds. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, performing a factory reset can potentially fix stubborn issues. Remember, factory reset will erase all your personalized settings and apps, so it should be your last resort. Navigate to the settings menu, select device preferences, and then choose reset. Follow the prompts to complete the reset, and then set up your TV afresh, including the Google Assistant. There you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix Google Assistant problems in your Hisense Android TV. Whether it's checking the internet connection, updating software, or tweaking your settings, these methods can help restore functionality. Remember, if you opt for a factory reset, make sure to back up your data first. By resolving these issues, your TV will be back to offering a seamless voice-activated experience. Enjoy the ease and convenience of controlling your television with just your voice. Continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Hisense support for further assistance. Happy viewing.